Nestled in the mighty Himalayas, Uttarakhand is a divine masterpiece. A symphony of fragrances, snow-kissed peaks and lush greenery. The secret aura resonating through Uttarakhand adds a spiritual dimension, connecting nature and spirituality harmoniously. Amidst enchanting waterfalls, meandering rivers and shadowy mountains, a harmonious symphony unfolds, a testament to the profound connection between nature and spirituality. Majestic temples and incomparable tourist spots create a heaven of holiness. The real allure lies in the folk culture, an enchanting tapestry shaped by the epic races of the Ramayana, Mahabharata and other Puranas. This celestial realm, dedicated to Lord Shiva and the divine feminine energy, unfolds as a grand design, a manifestation of extraordinary energy, magnetizing global attention through its natural beauty, diverse culture, yoga and Ayurveda. Tourists in Uttarakhand immerse in yoga, Ayurveda and the rich spiritual heritage. Border villages like Mana, Niti, Malari and Gunji Kartikeya Swami Temple, Manaskhand, Adi Kailash and Om Parvat contribute to the spiritual tapestry. Uttarakhand offers haven for thrill seekers with enchanting mountain trails and secure river rafting. Oli, India's premier skiing destination, stands out, acknowledged by the Federation of International Ski Slope, attracting national and international skiers. The 4.15-kilometer ropeway from Joshimath to Oli, Asia's second longest, immerses tourists in the essence of Uttarakhand tourism. Nanda Devi Peak, India's highest and the ancient man-made lake on Sanjeevani mountain, captivates visitors. Peaks in Oli, ranging from 2,500 to 3,000 meters, offer adventure for trekking enthusiasts. The tourist influx presents abundant investment opportunities in luxurious hotels, resorts, convention centers, theme parks and hill resorts in and around the area. In Uttarakhand, Tihri Dam, the world's 8th largest, and Tihri Lake, Asia's vast man-made lake, attracts adventure enthusiasts. The Acro Festival, hosted in Tihri from November 24th to 28th, showcased India's first international aerial acrobatic shows, featuring over 150 world-renowned paragliders. This marked Tihri's debut as India's newest paragliding destination and aimed to kickstart training programs for locals, in line with sustainable tourism envisioned by the Uttarakhand Tourism Development Board. The rise in international and domestic paragliding activities positions Tihri as a sports hotspot, driving demand for accommodation. Close to Delhi, Tihri draws around 15 lakh tourists annually for paragliding, floating huts and boating. River rafting enthusiasts can thrill in Rishikesh, Uttarkashi and Champavat, while aerial adventures find excitement in paragliding. Tihri evolves into a multifaceted adventure destination with upcoming projects like air and land sports, adrenaline racing and water games. In the near future, activities such as rafting, kayaking, water jobbing, canoeing, scuba diving, jet skiing, water skiing, hot air ballooning, parasailing, mountain biking and more will commence. Heli services are also used for George Everest and Himalayan Darshan. Uttarakhand's continuous appeal for wellness and Ayush centers like Ananda and Vana attests to the potential for more centers. For global travelers, Uttarakhand offers seamless connectivity through road, rail and air routes. The all-weather road network, paired with organized transportation, transforms the journey into an exhilarating adventure, ensuring a smooth and secure passage for thrill seekers. To experience tranquility and joy in Uttarakhand, approximately 55 million tourists from every corner of the globe visit throughout the year. Luxurious accommodations provided by hotels like Taj, Hyatt, Radisson and ITC ensure a serene and delightful stay. Uttarakhand unveils its new tourism policy 2030, aiming to elevate tourism to an industry status. The policy focuses on making tourism eco-friendly, tourist-friendly and investor-friendly, incorporating global standard tourism products and special services. This policy streamlines approvals, creating self-employment for locals and luring back Uttarakhand's youth, rekindling their spirits and enticing them to return. New services like heli-tourism, caravan tourism and adventure tourism, along with capital subsidies for electric vehicle cab operators are introduced. Implemented through the hub-and-spoke model, the policy ensures balanced development across tourism sectors. The visionary New Tourism Policy 2030 positions tourism as the anchor of Uttarakhand's prosperity, contributing at least $10 billion to the state's total revenue and 15% to the GSDP. Underpinning this economic transformation, the Uttarakhand government offers lucrative incentives for investors. This includes a substantial up to 50% subsidy for hospitality projects, fostering an investor-friendly environment. Furthermore, an up to 100% capital subsidy is extended to a diverse array of tourism products and services, encompassing helium and hot air balloons, blimps, electric taxis, helicopter waterplane services, caravans, motor houses, cruise boats, yachts, houseboats, and a spectrum of adventure activities like trekking, rock climbing, water sports, boat races, skating, aerosports, among others. Incentive for support extension of existing unit also provided. This visionary approach also embraces rural and cultural tourism, carnivals, festivals, sound and light shows, laser shows, and a myriad of other amusement and recreation activities. The new tourism policy aims for a 400 billion investment, catalyzing a minimum of 100 PPP projects by 2030. Embracing low volume, high value, the Uttarakhand government commits to sustainable, high quality tourism for economic growth and environmental preservation. Additionally, the government warmly invites investors to lease more than 30 properties and land parcels in picturesque locations like Mukteshwar, Mussoorie, Tihri, Lake Shamlatal, Kodiyala, Dhanolti, Dehradun, Roorkee and more, encouraging strategic investments in the state's tourism potential. In the wake of this new tourism policy, approximately 3 million people will have the opportunity to gain employment in tourism or related industries, with a 30% participation of women. The new tourism policy provides filmmakers better production facilities and enhances employment opportunities for those in art and culture. In Uttarakhand, with the aim of boosting tourism, the Manas Khand corridor is connecting the major ancient temples of Kumaon with improved roads and supporting infrastructure. Under the guidance of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and the leadership of Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami, the sacred Badrinath Dham is undergoing a transformation into a smart spiritual hill town. Restoration and redevelopment of Sri Kedarnath Dham is also in full swing. Uttarakhand Tourism Development Board set up Tourism Investment Facilitation Cell for hand-holding and coordination with investors. Under the ease of doing business, the government has introduced the single window clearance system, ensuring hassle-free establishment of businesses. The state government is dedicated to promoting tourism, ensuring comprehensive development and empowering investors and stakeholders. Uttarakhand, with its global level potential in tourism, eagerly welcomes investors to be a part of its growth story.